Alright gearheads, buckle up. Imagine this, you're tearing down a backroad engine, roaring like a caged beast, in a 2000s car so tough it could outlast a nuclear winter. One of these machines, a hidden legend, survived a desert war Hall reveals coming, so don't blink. These are the rides that scoff at 300,000 miles, and for pennies, they're yours. Stick with me for the ultimate list of 20 bulletproof 2000s cars grab before they recollect their gold. Welcome to Gearhead Garage, where we live for the growl of a V8 and the smell of burnt rubber. Been wrenching since I was old enough to hold a socket. And this channel's all about cars, with soul sedans, SUVs, trucks, no fluff. Today, we're diving into 2000s rides built to last forever, most under $5,000, packed with features that shame modern tin cans. All launched in the early to mid 2000s when builders still cared. No snooze fest specs, here just stories, grit, and surprises to keep you glued. First, the 04 Toyota Camry, dropped in 03. This sedan's a poet, gliding past 400,000 miles on a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horses, sipping gas like it's fine wine. 5-speed auto, side airbags high-tech, then, cheap now, at $3,000. My uncle's cabbie pal ran his 450,000. It outlasted flashier rivals like they were paper. It's the reliable friend who never bails. Next, the 05 Lexus EH330, out in 03. $4,000 snags, a 3.3 V6, 225 horses, leather that hugs you, and a ride smoother than jazz. Built on Camry bones, it'll hit 300K without a hiccup. Lexus was Toyota's middle finger to BMW's repair bills. Same heart, fancier suit. Timing belt at 90,000, and you're golden. Honda Civic 06C, late 05 launch. $3,000 for a 2.0-liter screamer, 197 horses, 6-speed manual that dances. Corners like a Miata, 30 mpg, 250k miles easy. Honda's race vibe made it a tuner's dream without the breakdowns. Bet it hits $5,000 in 2 years by now. 07 Honda Accord, born 07, $4,000, 2.4-liter, 166 horses. Sharper than a Camry with F1-inspired steering, 350k miles. Routine, my buddies hauled boats cross-country engine, barely sweating, while V6 South choked. Roomy, safe, eternal. O for Toyota Sienna, 03 debut, $5,000, 3.3 V6, 230 horses, 8 seats, optional AWD, 400k miles. No drama minivan. King before SUVs stole the show. DVD player kept kids quiet. It's a Camry with sliding doors, outlasts Dodge rust buckets. 04 Ford F-150 03 redesign. $3,000, 4.6 V8, 231 horses, tows 8,000 pounds, 300k mile frames laugh at rust. Iraq hauls proved it tougher than Humvis coil springs changed the game. $4,000 steady, power everything included. 05 Honda CR-V, 04 refresh. $4,000, 2.4-liter, 160 horses, a WD from Rallytech, 350k miles. Cargo, 4 days. Honda saw the crossover wave coming, blending Civic pep with SUV grit. No gas hogging. 05 Toyota RAV4, 05 update. $3,000, 2.4-liter, 161 horses, optional third row. 300k miles. No sweat. Toyota beat Subaru at compact SUV durability, with bitcrack vibes for adventurers. 05 Lexus RX 330, 03 drop. $5,000, 3.3 V6, 230 horses, plush as hell. 300k miles. Moonroof standard. Outlasts X5 South. No German headaches. Lexus owned reliability then. 05 Toyota 4Runner, 02 Gen, 05 Peak. $4,000, 4.0 V6, 245 horses, tows, 5k railway, 300k miles. Land Cruiser DNA. Jeep beaters, no contest. Nissan Altima 0201 Gen. $2,000, 2.5-liter, 175 horses, tight CVT, 250k miles. Stole Accord's thunder with value. Nissan's comeback kid. 03 Nissan Pathfinder, 04 refresh. $3,000, 3.5 V6, 240 horses, rugged family hauler. 250k miles. Armada Space, Sterasol. Ford Explorer, 0501, Gen 05 Polish. $4,000, 4.0 V6, 210 horses, third row, 250k miles. Fixed rollover fears. Ford's SUV, Glory Days. Honda Pilot 0302 debut. $5,000, 3.5 V6, 240 horses, a WD, 300k miles. Odyssey Toughness, Tahoe Beater. Mazda Tracetto Quattro, 03 start. $2,000, 2.3-liter, 160 horses, Miata Spirit, 250k miles. Hatch or sedan fun without fragility. Subaru Outback 0504 Gen. $4,000, 2.5 Boxer, 165 horses, a WD Legend. 250K with gasket care lead past Otis Toyota Tacoma 0504 Gen. 5 grand, 4.0 V6, 236 horses. Off-road beast, 400K frames, midsize king. Ford Focus 0099 US. 2 grand, 2.0 Z-Tech, 130 horses. Euro Zip, 200,000 miles. Hatch hype, before crossovers. Lexus GX 470 0 to start. 6 grand, 4.7 V8, 235 horses. Off-road looks 300K miles. G-Wagon Slayer, Prado Roots, and the Secret Beast. 02 Toyota Land Cruiser 100 Series. 98 US but 02 ruled. 8 grand, 4.7 straight 6, 500,000 miles in Safari Hell. Full time for WDA Leather. Fortress Apocalypse ready. Prices may hit 12K by 27. It vanished in 07, but its heart still thumps like a war drum. These rides aren't just cars, they're time machines, built when durability was king. So, what's your forever ride? Drop it below, hit like, sub for more grease-stained tales, share with your broke-down buddy. Keep wrenching, keep driving what'll outlast us all.